Good afternoon. People love them or hate them. The city's now trying to decide what to do about those door-to-door advertising flyers, such as those public sacs. And it plans to ask Montrealers about them. But first, Caroline, there was an information session with a lot of numbers.
A lot of numbers, Mitsumi, so bear with me on this. Public hearings did begin, or will actually begin next month. But first, the complex issue was sized up, so to speak, for the city last night, which is considering allowing only subscribers to get the bags. Those at City Hall were told that 800 to 900,000 flyers of all sorts are distributed on the island of Montreal every week, and that adds up to nearly 21,000 tons of paper per year and 416 tons of plastic, which, if not recycled, can last decades. It also costs the Montreal agglomeration about $30 million a year to sort and transport it to recycling centers. So there is a proposal now to cancel all home deliveries except to people who post a sticker saying they want them, an opt-in system that is basically the opposite of what we now have, an opt-out system. The man who initiated the hearings by helping to gather enough signatures on a petition also wants the city to ban the use of plastic bags for the flyers and better enforce the rules of how they are distributed.
In the 30 blocks around my house, I've spotted over 38 days 8,010 infractions to the current system. That is, either people who get flyers even if they have a no flyer sticker, or flyers that are thrown around not according to the rules in which they're supposed to be delivered.
Now, a representative of TC Transcontinental didn't argue with the numbers that were presented last night, but had some of her own to add. She said 2 surveys have shown that 87% of people want the flyers, and those that don't can call their customer service number, which helps them reduce their production at source. They still argue the opt-out system works best to control what they put out.
I'd like to invite people to do is that if they don't want to receive the public sac with our opt-out model, is to call us at our customer service center, and we'll give them a pictogram, and then we'll be doing reduction at source with them.
And one of the arguments used in the debate by TC Transcontinental, which prints and distributes the bags, is the potential for job loss if the city goes to an opt-in system, because it would cut down their product and they say be more difficult to manage. The town of Mirabel just went to such a system this week. It is the first municipality to do so in the province. Transcontinental is taking Mirabel to court, saying it violates freedom of expression and is discriminatory. And Montpetit says if as many people want the products as the industry or Publisac says they do, then no one's going to lose their jobs. The Montreal public hearings get underway in a few weeks. Mitz?